Molweni bethunana, sanibonani. I hope you guys you are doing well. I hope everyone is keeping warm in this cold weather in South Africa. We are still here. It's ingane zesithembu. We hear lana Amahle saying ukubana hi yena she can beat someone, like she can beat, like uyasho ukubana yena ubhonya ibhadi uze uyasho nje ukuthi can you see ukubana I don't even do long nails ukubana anytime is tea time, wathi prr impempe nazi ukubana hayi yena uzobhonya umuntu nje, ubhonya umuntu umbhonya ibhadi. Bayasho nje lapho ukubana ayi sizwile-ke wena ukuthiwa wena usuthe usibindi njengoba-ke yena azibiza ngebhubezi, kutsho ukubana wena ulibhubezikazi. Ayasho ukubana hayi nakho-ke bamsukela naye umtirotiro bathi yonke into nje akasathethi, she is rowing. Aphinde asho-ke naye uMpumelelo pha asho ukubana hayi uTirelo ulisotsha lakhe because nini bawa bavuka kuningi gayizini enganeni zesithembu, but le yona eka Amahle ayitsho ukubana yena hayi yena nyani ubhonya ibhadi, uyabhonyana akafune. She even says ukubana she is a very chilled person, but if she is put on the spot to fight, she is going to fight. Yay, hayi ngisayilindile-ke leyo ngamehlo abomvu ukubana the day that we will see both of them actually taking on each other, to see ukubana does uTirelo finally get someone lo ozombeka endaweni yakhe, because she was so mean to uVuyokazi. But now the tables have turned, because that time uTirelo, she wasn't a baby mama yet, she was still pregnant, and uVuyokazi was a baby mama by then. So now tables has turned ukubana uTirelo, she is the baby mama, and Amahle doesn't have umntwana okanye she's not yet pregnant, at least from what we've been seeing. Ukubana kusakhulunywa ngendaba zokubana kuyokokotelwa and all those things. Uyatsho-ke uNtombi ukubana hayi phela bayambuza laphana njengoba ubetshela abantu kanje eku-live, atsho-ke ukubana hayi yena uyabhonyana. Baze size simuva-ke noMpumelelo at the background aloka abhizi apho ambiza athi Mahle, and people are busy asking ukubana is that Mpumelelo at the background. Athi hayi nakani indaba zenu, nakani mina ngila ngoba it is me that you guys you are seeing, so you should be concentrating him. What do you guys think of Amahle setting the record straight ukubana uTirelo angamlokothi ngoba yena uyintombi yomZulu and ubhonyana ibhadi nkosi yami, uchilo nje wayibeka ukubana kuzwakale nje, uyibeke yacaca nje ukubana if I am put in a state to fight, I am going to fight and I will beat someone nje ngendlela angakazayibona. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.